Section 9.14, solutions formed from partially miscible liquids. Alright, let's look at this picture. You have A and B, two components. Over here, 100% A. This is liquid A at the boiling point, and then at higher temperature, you have pure A vapor. Same here. Liquid B, when the temperature goes up, B reaches its boiling point, and then above the boiling point, you have 100% B. And then in this region, you can say B is dissolved in A. In this region, A is dissolved in B. In this region, you just say A and B are miscible with each other at this temperature. Above this temperature, A and B are miscible. So any amount of A can be dissolved in any amount of B. However, at a lower temperature, you will see two different phases. So in one phase, you have B dissolved in A. In the other phase, A is dissolved in B. So when I say that, when I say A is dissolved in B, I'm talking about much more B than A. When I say B is dissolved in A, then A, the amount of A is much more than B. Above this temperature, we observe the boiling point of A and B together, so over here. But over here, you have L plus V, that's a liquid phase and a vapor phase. So in the liquid phase, you have B dissolved in A. In the vapor phase, you have both A and B. Over here also L plus V, but over here this L, you can imagine this is A dissolved in B in the liquid phase. In the vapor phase, you just have A and B. Now let's look at another phase diagram. You can see in this phase diagram over here, this region disappears. This region disappears. So A and B are never miscible with each other. So over here again, this is A dissolved in B dissolved in A dissolved in B, two phases. You can imagine if we try to mix chloroform and water together, you're going to get two liquid phases. One is chloroform that dissolves a little bit of water. The other is water that contains a little bit of chloroform. So that's this L1 plus L2 is about two phases, two liquid phases. And now you have L1 plus V, so this is a little bit B in A plus the vapor. This one is a little bit B in A plus a little bit A in B plus the vapor. Well, in vapor, A and B are always miscible, okay? So over here you see a boiling point here, you see a boiling point here. And then these, the mixture of these two phases starts to boil at this boiling point. At this point, I think you have a constant mole fraction between A and B. So you just need to be able to analyze this phase diagram, this temperature composition phase diagrams. The information is all there. You just need to talk about this information